By here at Creative Bespoke. Hope everybody's staying safe. We had a lot of requests regarding this vehicle, so we want to kind of give you a rundown of everything we've done to it. This is a wide body prior design that we built. Obviously, as you see, the car has the fender flares on the vehicle, has the glass bonnet that showcases the V8 RS7 engine, full carbon. We painted most of the carbon to kind of match the car, and we left the center and the two vented area in carbon. The car has been lowered with the H&R springs to give it the more aggressive stance. 21-inch Rennen forged wheels that were installed on the car. We also did a full ECU tune, which is pushing about 680 horsepower and around 750 to 800 pound of torque, which the car is extremely fast. Carbon rear diffuser, carbon front diffuser on the car. The car has about 14,000 miles on it for 2016, which is quite low on this car. The car drives and performs unbelievable for a daily. I highly recommend this car. I drove it myself for about a month and kind of enjoyed it because it's quiet, it's smooth, luxury, fast, looks wicked aggressive, but also has classic lines and just luxurious. The interiors get a full carbon fiber trim, factory. All of that is factory. The honeycomb seats, which gives it the more of the luxury. It's pretty common on the RS7s.